Welcome to our countdown of the 10 times nature went absolutely crazy. From the depths of our oceans to the outer reaches of our solar system, our planet is a place of constant motion. From bizarre weather phenomena to incredible animal behavior, stay tuned to witness the wild side of our planet. In the vast expanse of our solar system, Jupiter reigns supreme, a gas giant of unimaginable scale, and upon its swirling surface, a tempest has raged for centuries, a colossal storm known as the Great Red Spot. Larger than our entire planet, this anticyclonic storm is driven by winds that reach speeds of up to 400 miles per hour. Scientists believe that the Great Red Spot is fueled by the intense heat emanating from Jupiter's core, combined with the planet's rapid rotation. The Great Red Spot stands as a testament to the raw power of nature, a reminder that even in the depths of space, forces beyond our comprehension are at work. On December 26, 2004, the world watched in horror as a natural disaster of unimaginable scale unfolded in the Indian Ocean. Deep beneath the ocean floor, a massive earthquake, one of the most powerful ever recorded, had ripped across a fault line. The result was a series of monstrous waves known as tsunamis that radiated outwards with terrifying speed. Coastal communities in 14 countries were caught in the path of this devastating surge. From Indonesia to Thailand, Sri Lanka to Somalia, the tsunami crashed ashore with relentless fury, swallowing entire villages, towns, and cities. The 2004 Indian Ocean tsunami serves as a stark reminder of the immense power that lies hidden beneath our oceans. In the high latitudes of our planet, where the air is thin and the nights are long, a celestial ballet of breathtaking beauty unfolds. The aurora borealis, also known as the northern lights, paints the night sky with vibrant hues of green, blue, and purple. This ethereal display is the result of a fascinating interplay between our sun and Earth's atmosphere. When charged particles from the sun collide with Earth's magnetic field, they interact with atoms in our atmosphere, creating the mesmerizing display we know as the aurora borealis. The aurora borealis stands as a testament to the beauty and wonder of our planet, a reminder that even in the darkest of nights, nature can still illuminate our world with its magic. Nestled amidst the Cascade Range of the Pacific Northwest, Mount St. Helens stood as a silent sentinel, a majestic peak cloaked in a mantle of snow and ice. But beneath its tranquil exterior, a slumbering giant was about to awaken. On May 18, 1980, after months of rumbling and tremors, Mount St. Helens erupted with a force that shook the very foundations of the Earth. The blast, equivalent to the detonation of thousands of atomic bombs, ripped away the top 1,300 feet of the mountain, sending a plume of ash and debris soaring miles into the atmosphere. The surrounding landscape was instantly transformed into a desolate wasteland. Forests were flattened, rivers were choked with mud and debris, and the air was thick with the acrid smell of sulfur. The eruption of Mount St. Helens was a stark reminder of the awesome power that lies dormant within our planet. Today, Mount St. Helens stands as a testament to the resilience of nature, a living laboratory where scientists study the processes of ecological recovery and renewal. On May 22, 2011, the city of Joplin, Missouri found itself in the crosshairs of nature's fury. A monstrous tornado, an EF5 on the enhanced Fujita scale, bore down on the unsuspecting community. Imagine a vortex of wind, a swirling column of air spinning at speeds exceeding 200 miles per hour, carving a path of destruction through the heart of the city. Buildings were reduced to rubble, trees were debarked and stripped bare, and vehicles were tossed about like toys. The Joplin tornado, with a path of destruction over a mile wide and 6 miles long, left a scar across the landscape that is still visible today. In the aftermath of the storm, the people of Joplin displayed remarkable resilience and spirit, proving that even in the face of unimaginable loss, the human spirit can endure. In 2010, a volcano with a name that few could pronounce brought the world to a standstill. Eyjafjallajökull, a stratovolcano in Iceland, erupted with a fury that sent shockwaves across the globe, not in the form of earthquakes or tsunamis, but in the form of a massive ash cloud. The ash, composed of fine particles of rock and glass, posed a significant threat to aircraft engines. As the ash cloud drifted across Europe, it brought air travel to a grinding halt, stranding millions of passengers and causing widespread economic disruption. The eruption of geological highlighted the vulnerability of our globalized world to disruptions in air travel, a critical artery of commerce and transportation. From late 2019 to early 2020, Australia faced one of its most devastating bushfire seasons on record. Fueled by a combination of drought, extreme heat, and strong winds, the fires raged across the continent, scorching an area larger than the size of Portugal. The impact on wildlife was catastrophic. Millions of animals, including koalas, kangaroos, and birds, perished in the flames or lost their habitats. The fires also took a heavy toll on human lives and property, destroying thousands of homes and businesses. The Australian bushfires were a stark reminder of the increasing threat posed by climate change. The images of the fires served as a wake-up call, a stark reminder of the urgent need for action to address climate change and protect our planet for future generations. On March 11, 2011, the coast of Japan was rocked by one of the most powerful earthquakes ever recorded, a magnitude 9.0 tremor that unleashed a chain of events with catastrophic consequences. The earthquake itself was powerful enough to shift the Earth on its axis and generate tsunamis that reached heights of over 130 feet. These monstrous waves crashed ashore along Japan's northeastern coast, inundating entire towns and cities, sweeping away homes, buildings, and everything in their path. The tsunami also crippled the Fukushima Daiichi nuclear power plant, causing meltdowns in 3 of its reactors and releasing radioactive material into the environment. The Tohoku earthquake and tsunami was a triple disaster, a devastating combination of seismic activity, a monstrous wave, and a nuclear crisis. In the aftermath of the disaster, the world watched in awe as the Japanese people displayed remarkable resilience and determination in the face of unimaginable loss. In August 2017, Hurricane Harvey, a slow-moving behemoth, stalled over the Gulf Coast of Texas, unleashing a deluge of biblical proportions. Over the course of several days, Harvey dumped trillions of gallons of rain on Houston and the surrounding areas, transforming the nation's 4th-largest city into a vast inland sea. The scale of the flooding was unprecedented in Texas history, overwhelming drainage systems and leaving entire neighborhoods underwater. Emergency services were stretched to their limits and thousands of people were forced to flee their homes, seeking refuge in shelters or on higher ground. Hurricane Harvey highlighted the vulnerability of urban areas to flooding and the challenges of responding to disasters of this magnitude. In the aftermath of the storm, the people of Houston and the surrounding communities came together to help their neighbors in need, demonstrating the power of community and the resilience of the human spirit. On October 17, 1989, as the World Series was about to get underway at Candlestick Park in San Francisco, a magnitude 6.9 earthquake, later dubbed the Loma Prieta earthquake, struck the Bay Area. The quake, originating from a rupture along the San Andreas Fault, sent shockwaves rippling through the region, toppling buildings, collapsing bridges, and triggering fires. The Loma Prieta earthquake was a stark reminder that even in one of the most seismically active regions in the world, disaster can strike when least expected. The quake caused widespread damage throughout the Bay Area, from San Francisco to Oakland to Santa Cruz. The collapse of a section of the Bay Bridge, a vital transportation artery, became a symbol of the quake's destructive power. In the aftermath of the quake, the people of the Bay Area came together to rebuild their communities, demonstrating their resilience and their determination to overcome adversity. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content about our incredible planet. These events, while sometimes destructive, are a testament to the dynamic forces that shape our planet. Let us know in the comments which natural event amazed you the most. And remember, by understanding these events and learning from them, we can become better stewards of our planet and better prepared for whatever challenges the future may hold.